Hello everyone, today I will take Canada-based users through the step-by-step guide on buying Trump tokens with zero fees. I will also cover spot trading and leverage long-short positions to help you make the most of your trades. Why choose KCEX? Before we dive in, let's talk about this hidden gem, the KCEX exchange. Here are 3 key advantages you need to know. First, zero fees. Unlike Coinbase, which charges 0.6% for maker orders and 1.2% for taker orders, KCEX offers completely free spot and futures trading. Second, no KYC required. No need to upload an ID or proof of address. Just sign up with an email and start trading immediately. Third, exclusive welcome bonus. Sign up through my special referral link in the description and receive 490 USDT instantly. You can use this for trading or withdrawals. Important, always access KCEX via the official KCEX account domain to avoid phishing scam. Let's proceed with transferring USDC from Coinbase to KCEX via Coinbase Wallet and Base Change. Why use Coinbase Wallet? Coinbase currently does not support direct transfer to KCEX, necessitating an alternative approach. Coinbase Wallet, however, can connect directly to Coinbase, allowing for fast and seamless transfer. We will utilize Base Change and Layer 2 network developed by Coinbase that provide zero gas fees and rapid transaction speed. Here are step-by-step transfer process. Log into Coinbase. Scroll down, click Send Crypto, select Coinbase Wallet as the recipient, choose USDC, ensuring base chain is selected, enter the amount, start with a test transfer of 10 USDC, click Preview, click Coinbase Wallet, click Send it to myself, and click Preview Send. Confirm the transactions by clicking Sending Now, then open Coinbase Wallet, click Send, enter the amount, 10, click Next, input the recipient address, on KCEX, go to Wallet, click Deposit, select USDC, choose Base Change, copy the deposit address, paste this address into Coinbase Wallet, click on that, confirm by clicking Send. Within 5 minutes, in the deposit page, scroll to review recent deposit, confirm the status with success. This workflow ensures a smooth transfer process whilst converting Coinbase direct transfer restriction to KCEX. And then we need to converting USDC to USDT and earning interest. Why convert USDC to USDT? USDC is the easiest stablecoin for Canada users to buy with fiat on Coinbase. However, all KCEX trading pairs, including Trumps, are priced in USDT. How to convert USDC to USDT on KCEX? Click Spot and search for USDC, USDT in KCEX search bar. Open the trading page, click Sell USDC, select Market Order, enter your total USDC balance to use the slide, and click Sell USDC. Once you deposit USDT, you can earn 5% APY interest. If your total assets exceeds 500 USDT, go to Wallet, click Flexible Savings, tick the box, and click Enable Flexible Savings. Click Confirm, then you can enjoy your bonus. And then we can buy in Trump tokens on the spot market. Click Spot at the top, select the trading pair. The default pair is Bitcoin USDT. Click the search bar, type Trump, and select Trump USDT. And for here, you can see the chart. Here's the order type you can choose. For the market order instant executions, choose markets. Enter the amount, for example 10, and click Buy Trump. And for limit order, you can set target price, choose limits, enter a price below the current market rate, for example 15, and set amount, and click Buy Trump. You can check your holding, go to Wallet, Spot, find Trump balance, real holdings, and profit and loss. And then let's go through leverage long short trading on Trump, click futures. Here are key concepts. Going long, if you expect the price to rise, borrow USDT to buy, sell at a higher price for profit. Going short, if you expect the price to drop, borrow Trump to sell, buy back at a lower price for profits. How to go in long on Trump? Select Trump USDT perpetual contracts, adjust key setting, margin mode, set to isolated, limit raise to a set marginal count. Leverage, select 5 times from the drop down, scroll to adjust, I will stay with 5 times, and open a long position, use the limit order and market order as well. I will stick with market order. Enter the margin amount, for example 10. The system will display how much Trump you can buy, click open loans, and convert the order. You can monitor your position by going to Open Position tab to track the liquidation price and profit and loss. How to go short on Trump? Follow the same step as going long and margin 10 as well, but select Open Short instead click on Comfort. In the end, KCEX allows free withdrawal for all cryptocurrencies. How to withdraw funds? Go to Wallet, click Withdraw, select the coins, paste the external wallet address, enter the field withdrawal amount, click Submit. Usually within 10 minutes, depending on blockchain conjunction. That's it for today's tutorial. KCEX is one of the cheapest and most convenient crypto exchanges, offering zero fees and no KYC requirements. If you want to sign up and claim 490 USDT, use our referral link in the description, like, subscribe, and turn on notification if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.